Hey guys, and today, one second, right, there we go, I'll put it over there. Hey guys, and today, I'm back with another game, and this game is called MotoGP Championship Quests. So, hopefully, I can actually race in the tournaments today, because it let me last time, but it didn't put me in any position or anything, and I was like, mate. How many laps is it? Oh no, I forgot you just did it into it. Okay, wait. So this game is pretty simple, guys. But yeah, I failed. The launch. It doesn't matter what position you get, as long as you get combos. And I'm not particularly good at this. But I'm not one of them people who get like perfect every time. But if I want to get perfect, I'll get it. And I'll get it. Okay, no, I almost failed. I'm doing a pretty sick combo right now. I know someone who got a 40 combo. I would try and beat it, but it would be impossible for me to do that. Sorry if I keep looking away from the camera. It's just because of the way the camera is if my phone's sideways. I'm not going to get too hype about my combo because I'll probably end up failing it, and I don't want to get too hype about it and then fail it. No, see what I mean? Look, that's why I didn't want to get too happy, because then I'll get really mad and probably end up ending the video like straight away, and I've only just started it. Oh, what was that? Okay, it's in now. I'm actually in a decent position to say that I'm not trying to just get in positions, I'm just trying to get combos. Oh my god, it did like a little massive boost. It annoys me when it does that. I'm back down to 14th now because of it. I do sometimes know how to get perfect, but I still don't ace it even though I know how to do it. Sorry if my like whole face keeps going off the... Oh god, I really messed up. Sorry if my whole face keeps like going off the camera. It's hard to record sideways. I'm also sorry if the graphics are really bad in this video. I will check it, and if they are bad, then I probably won't even upload the video, but if they aren't, then you can watch the video. Hat trick perfect. I feel like I'm going to get perfect on the next one, but I probably won't. Let's see. I normally get perfects on like straight ones, like ones that are easy to do. Don't fail, don't fail, don't fail. Yes. To carry on going, I need to get like loads of things. Really? I'm going to move my camera in a minute when I get a chance. Wow, I can't do it while I'm in the middle of a race. That's nice. And, oh, for God's sake. I'm not going to get anywhere. I was doing so good at the start. Wait, oh God. No, I'm failed now. How did I make that? I need to get combos. What is going on right now? I don't even know what's happening. I've failed. Right, I'll put it there because you need to see. Or should I put it down there? Yeah, I'll put it down there. No, just leave it. To the tournament. It better have put my score now because I swear to God if it hasn't, I'd be so mad. th place. Well. Okay then. I'll have one more race, guys, and then that'll be the end of the video. Also, sorry if the sound keeps getting blocked as well. I'm trying my hardest not to block it. That's why I hate like videos when I have to record like sideways zone. Oh God, I forgot. Oh, God. I've already pretty much failed. I get normally great or perfect on the fast ones, like the ones where you... I'm done with this game already. I just need to do good. No speaking. Mouth zipped. Right, I did better that time, but I'm not gonna... I am gonna speak now because there's no point not speaking. It's just my able to tap buttons. It's got nothing to do with speaking. It's just my ability on tapping buttons at the right time. Not me not speaking or me speaking. That's nothing to do with it. It is to do with it when laughing for. Thought that was going to be too late. Thing is, I should have put my camera over where I was going to... What was that? I should have put my camera over where I was going to put it so I could see my score. But I don't think I can do it now. No, I can't do it. I'm going to try and do the best I can. Because I just need a big score. Sorry about that. Not doing the best though. How is that too early? This is what annoys me about this game. Sometimes it gives you like too earlys or too lates, and how is it too early or too late? That I could have totally agree why that was totally early. I have no idea why I did that. It didn't even award me with that one, even though it was the bing, so I know I did good. I would have never aced that one. Hate that corner. Like the corner stretch. It's getting harder now. I'm going much faster on that turn. Wow. Come on, make it, make it, make it. I don't think we're going to make the next lap. Especially when that happens. I think I'm going to fail this one. No, I got it, I got it. I will probably definitely fail the last one, especially because I've just done that now. What? How is that? Oh my god, this game. No, I've definitely failed now. Unless I can get perfect like every single one, which I can't. So great, maybe able to just pull it out, but not good. Good is not good at this moment in time. Come on, I can do this. I don't want to not. No. I just did it. I can't believe it. I was on like 0.2. We can do this, guys. No, we can't. Yeah, I've definitely failed this one. Hands down failed. Yep. That score's even worse. Thought I'd done much better than that. Maybe I have, I'm not sure. Let's have a look. No. Right. So this video has been a longer video than what I normally upload. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And it's been Glitter Kitten here. Bye.